Hello, how to make a watch list of stocks for swing trading. We are going through a long list of stocks, upward large cap stocks. We are using maximum monthly chart to analyze them to see the ones that the price is above multiple a prior year mountain peak. They are the one we are living in the list. The one like this one where the price, which is the price on the Y that is shaded with the green or red, if the price level is crossing a prior year price bar or is below a peak that belong to a prior year, the years are on the axis and delimitated by vertical lines, we are taking those out of the list. The list is long, over 100, and we are doing it in a short section. So now we are going to continue with ECL, and all the video will be in the playlist titled swing trading. The price is here above prior year's mountain peak, therefore we will keep it. The next one is RPM, and I believe RPM is already in our existing watch list, therefore we analyze it already, the same as MLM. So we will we will take those out so that we do not spend time analyzing them again. So this one, do you see the price? The price is here below multiple previous year's highs, so it's out. The previous one, the price is here below previous year high, so it's out. The next one, RS, the price is below a prior year high, so it's out. This has a nice feel to the chart, but it can go that low, so it's out. The next one is PLD. So the price is below prior year high, so it's out. The next one is the price is below prior year high, so it's out. Jaden, do not stomp.
Okay.
The next one, the price is above prior year highs, so we will keep it. But do you see how this high is higher than the years that follow? It seems not to I wanted to say seems not to be a repetition things, but it can happen, and it happen at specific time frame. This could be 2000, this is 2022. So again, I don't really like those type of chart, if you ask me, but there is uptrend fill sway, but it does do that. It will tell you, that just tells you when you will want to buy if you have it on your list. But right now we will get it. It is on the list. So the next one, L.L.C. The price is below previous year high, so is out. Do you see those horizontal lines that we traced there? Seems like if you are going to trade that things, trading it on this line might be a way to go with it, about it. Oh, I'm surprised that we got to the bottom of the list. I was more thinking that we are nowhere near finishing this. Wow, we started with 145 stocks, and I don't know how many videos we created so far, but yeah, I mean, we didn't do all of this. I think we are analyzing it from here down here. Those two were the existing watch list that we finish it up, and those are the long list that the 145 list that we are working on. So, but yeah, it has been some hours of recording for me already. So the price is here above those lines, so we will keep it. But again, I don't know how I feel about this, but so far let's make those blue so that we know them. Wow, I'm surprised. Did we eliminate that many? Seems like 145, and I'm seeing the reason why I thought we were nowhere near is because I'm looking at the numbers in the margin of the spreadsheet. So the price is here, well above prior year peak. So I don't know what kind of stock is it, but yeah, it's interesting, has interesting chart, and I don't know what happened this year, but you might want to be careful with it. But it seems to have a very neat chart. He's a keeper. So yeah, I was looking at here and I said, okay, 145, and I'm like in my 30s here, so I have a long way to go. But since we are eliminating as we go, it shortened the list. So the price is here above prior year high, so a keeper. For now, ATO, the price is there above prior year's high, so we keep it. ED, because I really want to finish analyzing those stocks that we are ready for 2025. So the price is here, is going through multiple prior year price bar, so it is out. So this concludes our first elimination process to shorten our 145 large cap upward, large cap that are good for me swing trading. You see 145, and using maximum monthly chart, we narrow them down to 33. Okay, so in the next video we are going to apply the second filter to shorten it again, and that's what we did for our existing watch list. Our existing watch list was a watch list of 66 stocks that we pulled from that same list at the beginning of the year that we traded during the year. So to see which are the stocks we are going to keep, we put them through that same process, maximum monthly chart, to eliminate few, and put it through daily, 1 year daily chart to eliminate some, and we narrow it down to 40 something here, 45, from 66 to 45. They are the one that when I come across, or 46, they are the one that when I come across in our analysis, I was eliminating right away so that we do not duplicate them. So now from the long list, again, after taking the existing watch list stocks out, the one we kept are 33. So we'll put them through the second version, the second step. And let me put this version 1, and we'll put them through the next filter step to see if there are some we can take out of here before we combine both to make our 2025 stock watch list. Thank you so much.